Okay, I'm at the big laundromat, and look at this. This is our parking lot. Laundromat, part of the laundromat parking lot. Oh my God. Okay. So, okay, let me ease over here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So usually I come in. Usually I come in and I go around the back there to that on the right side. Yep, there's some people in the garage. No, I'll find out. It's a mess. Outside. Okay, there's that rich. Okay, look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let me close my window. And peek inside, see what can I do if I close my window. Celeste, you gonna have to wait, girl. Daughter trying to, call me. But maybe she did. Maybe that was an accident. Look at here. Look at here. Okay, this is our laundromat. The sign is down. I guess they put a new. I don't know. Put a new sign. Okay, this is a junction. Look at the lot here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. The laundromat's side. Oh my goodness. Oh Lord. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So river debris came all the way up here too. Washed all the way up here. Lord have mercy. And I'm thinking it's high enough up here. Oh my God. Look at here. Look at here. Look. Oh my God. Oh my God. And next door, the car, what do they do? I don't know. Check engines and, oh Lord, they check engines and change oils and, oh my goodness. Wow. The debris that came all the way up here. All the way up here. Look at this big log here. Look, it broke up some of the asphalt tarred back parking. Wow. Oh my God. See, I'm thinking we way up here. Way up. The river's down there. That part is looking kind of calm right now. Down there. Stuff floating. Boy, wow. Wow. Just the back of the laundromat. Okay. This side over here almost looks untouched. This side over here where the drive-through is, where the customers can drive through and drop off their laundry, that's looking pretty much untouched. The boat restaurant and bar and grill or whatever over there, pretty much looking untouched. Yeah, they got the little seating, outside seating is way up on stilts and everything, untouched. Wow, but look at this. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Celestial trying to call me. Wow. Okay, I'm going to turn this off for now. Call her back right quick and then go inside the laundromat.